So I'm using Zoom to record, and Zoom always, whenever it reaches, I think past 40 minutes, it cancels the recording of the screen because it's a free version. So that's why I create this one to show you the last question, which was take the student identification and return that student. So I was doing it, but because the Zoom did not record. So here on student service, what I will do is that I will create a student, an object, a method name of student, and then I will return student dir.find by ID, the method that I created before on student by ID, so that I can get the ID, the integer of that ID. But to do that, because on our URL endpoint, we will pass an ID like 4, for example, or 5. Now we will put in this ID inside, I don't know what is it called, is it bracket or what? Then we'll find that variable from the student object. So we'll use path variable of this student. To test this, for example, so I'll have to run, okay? And let's say, for example, we want to get Alamin Juma or Raya. Let's say, for example, in our database, we have a Raya of 4 and Alamin of 1. So what I will do is I'll go to my test HTTP, and then I will pass, let's say, 4. So 4 should give me Raya. So I'll run that, and yes, give me Raya. Or if it's 1, let's say maybe 3 should give me that student information. Yes. And for example, if I go to my web here and I change, maybe let's say like 2 should give me that student. And yes, so that's the end of this presentation, mister, and thank you so much. That's all.